How does this chord function in the key of C? Here's what's written from low to high. And then together you get this. Okay, so what do we have here? The notes written from low to high are F, A, C, and then E. So to build the chord, we want to arrange these notes into stacked ascending thirds. And we actually already have them arranged this way. One thing that can help you out when you're looking at notation, just look at the way these notes are spaced. You've got the lowest note here, F, and then it's on the bottom space, and then when you go up to the next space, that is going to be some type of third. Okay, that's just the physical distance of the notes when they're written on the staff. And then the A is another third above that, that's the C. And then finally, a third above C is the E. So you can just see the way the notes are written, that can help you out with the intervals. So we already have stacked ascending thirds. And the next thing we want to do is look at the quality of the chord. So the notes from root on up are F, A, C, E. F up to A, you want to look at the distance between those notes. That's a total of 4 half steps. That is a major third. And then A up to C, that's a total of 3 half steps. So that is the recipe for a minor third. And when you have a major third plus a minor third, that is the formula for a major chord. So this chord here is an F chord or an F major chord. Now we have a seventh on top. Why is it a seventh? It's a seventh because it's a seventh above the root of the chord, which is F. And it's a major 7 because it's a total of 11 half steps, and that's the recipe for a major 7th. If it was E flat, that would be a minor 7th above the root, and that would change the quality of the chord. But here, F up to E natural, that is a major 7th. So this chord here is an F major 7 chord. Okay, that's what it is. Now, finally, how would it function in the key of C? You want to think of your C major scale. The note F is the 4th scale degree. So this here would be functioning as the 4 chord in the key of C. Sometimes the fancy term for that is the subdominant chord. That's the 4 chord. But there you go. That's the answer. This is an F major 7 chord. It would function as the 4 chord in the key of C. And the way this is written here, this would also be in root position because the root of the chord is the lowest sounding note. So I know that's a lot of information. I hope that all makes sense. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a message and I'll do my best to answer. Take care.